Chlorine levels go up and down in a hot tub, and when they're down, there's no protection. O-Care will protect your hot tub 24/7 against sediment buildup. Add O-Care once a week to ensure clean pipes and to protect components such as pumps and heaters to stand the test of time. O-Care is a 2-compound formula, so an O-Care box contains 2 different bottles, number 1 and number 2. Check the volume of your hot tub. The dosing chart on the bottle will show you how much you'll need to add. It's water maintenance made easy by just following these 3 steps. First, add the appropriate amount of O-Care number 1 and number 2 to the measuring cup, and then just add it to the water. Make sure to run the pump for better mixing. Now add some sanitizer, and to finish off, check the pH and sanitizer level. The water can turn cloudy when you add O-Care. That means it's working. It's supposed to do that, and it will clear up in a couple of hours. And make sure to purge white sediment from the filters regularly. To help with water maintenance problems, you should download our Water Maintenance Assistant. It will help fix water issues step by step. This O-Care app is free. Now you can start to really enjoy your hot tub with more natural and better water. Take care.